Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. First off, I want to give a huge shout out to all of our new subscribers. Welcome to Gradient Imaging. Your support means the world to us and we're so excited to have you along for this journey. It has been an awesome year exploring Alberta's hidden gems. We've seen some beautiful landscapes and charming small towns. I'm so grateful for your support, watching, liking, and sharing our videos. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season, and hope you're able to enjoy some downtime with your family and friends. Next year we've got more small town Alberta adventures coming your way, plus I'll try to post on TikTok and YouTube shorts a few times a week, giving you a quick glimpse into our latest drone flights and possibly some behind the scenes moments. I'm going to leave you with some more Christmas lights, but all that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.